Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I'm here again to update you because the reason why I am here is to keep you updated. So, as I was saying, a lot is happening and you don't need to be left behind. That is why you have Progress the Analyst. Before we go further, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do where to smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe. And whenever you subscribe, just turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a latest update like this, oh my goodness, you will be the first to be notified. Right now, let us dive into the reason why we are here today. You guys know that a lot is happening. Hey, hope Uzodimma don't start again. Do you realize that another election is going to happen again tomorrow? Hey, for inside Imo State. Are you ready to hear the news? Do you want to see the Biafra wonder that they have been talking about? They said it's going to happen tomorrow. Hey, and we can't wait to see or hear. That is the reason why you need to subscribe, and that is the reason why you need to share our videos, because for this place with the torchlight on the torchlight table. So do you know one thing that's happened? We are about to listen to the Biafra Prime Minister, but before they make us shipping one or two things before we go here. A lot of people do not really understand what is happening. Hey, see the way just they make shakara, they jolidify. A lot of people don't really know exactly what is happening. People are asking me, oh, Progress the Analyst, why is it that the Biafra Prime Minister is saying nobody should go and cast vote, nobody should go and do that? In fact, I received a lot of comments today that I also want to address. They said he would have allowed them to go and cast their vote, because if he did not allow them, that Hope Uzodimma go still become the governor of Imo State. Now, you've already answered the question. You ask a question and you also answer the same question. So I don't really have anything to answer, because even if they go and vote as you said, Hope Uzodimma go still become the governor. Abba, you don't forget quickly what happened during the presidential election, whereby a lot of people said they are going to protect their vote. Obi 71, blah 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 72. At the end of the day, what happened? What we order versus what we got. Is it not what happened? So everybody tranquilo, everybody quiet, everybody just they look the situation, of which me Progress the Analyst, I can't respond to some of the comments when I received today. Say why the Biafra Prime Minister not allow them make them go vote. See, as it stands right now, I not believe say anybody hold anybody not to go cast votes. No, if you tell me that word, I go say no. This time around, you no need man to tell you what to do. Your destiny, your future, e dey for inside your hand, of which nobody go fit convince you. Me not think say the Prime Minister say no go cast your vote. E mean say people say na they not go cast vote because e talk am. No, because these people are convinced that what happened in 90 Brigade is about to happen, so there is no need of them going to cast votes. Now wetin me dey see be that. So this is not an era whereby someone force people. No, everybody have their own way of talking. If you just come and talk wetin you want talk, you fit still decide to do what is in your mind. But this situation right now, I not even believe say na because say Biafra Prime Minister talk, that is why the people are saying okay, let us obey him because he has spoken. No, the people are convinced also. Not be only the talk, the people they convinced say they know they go vote. Say that day they go sit down for house. They are convinced. Not be person force them, because you don't need somebody to force you. When they don't happen before, people don't learn their lesson in a very strong way, when make them say there is no need of them going to cast their vote. Say casting of vote now waste. In fact, they say na scam. Say nothing they happen. Now the devil they advise people that, oh, come out and let us vote Hope Uzodimma out. The same Hope Uzodimma, when they say you no good, the same person where you say make them come vote out, the same person where you say if they kpai people, now you see the same people still come out, make them come vote her out. when you don't label that person say e dey kpai people, no matter how people come vote am out, you think say go out, na that time na e two leg go stand for ground gidigba. So the people of Imo State, so wetin me see be say they've already decided that they are not going to vote. They've already have the conviction, they are convinced 100% that they're not go be part of this thing, because all those things wey dem dey do so na scam. The other day some people say they wan go guide their vote. Till today we no hear result of vote wey dem go guide. We no hear one, we no hear two. Everything go like that. And along the line, say you dey go polling unit, they go dey fight for make dem vote up Uzodimma house. You wan go fight, you wan go do like this. Anything you see, you go bear am, because na your gain na be that. How you say you wan go vote Hope Uzodimma out, Hope Uzodimma, you wan go vote her out. For that you put your life, say you dey go dey fight. Imagine the presidential election, some people dey even dey fight, follow all these guys. They drag ballot box. They drag the box. Oh, I want to protect my vote. I want to protect my vote. My vote cannot go like that. Hey, my people, which day you want wise? Why you not leave the vote for them? They go vote at the way they want vote am. Abba, if you sit down for house, nothing go do you. Instead, you say you are going to ballot box. You want go fight for your polling units. Abba, make you yourself see, consider your family. Consider yourself, because the children of those people, you will never see them going to the polling units to go and drag one thing or the other. You won't go follow INEC fight. Oh, INEC don't collect money for that, I'm going to fight INEC. Come on, think twice before you do. So without not wasting much of your time, I want us to also listen to the Prime Minister of Biafra. Let us hear what he has to say about this election that is going to take place tomorrow.
Welcome you this evening as you again to listen to the voice of freedom, the voice that pierces the heart of Nigeria, the voice that pierces the heart of the terrorists who has come to kill our people for the end of dying. I welcome all of you this evening. I welcome you, the Nigeria terrorist DSS agent. I welcome you, the Nigeria terrorist army agent. I welcome you, the politician agent, those killers of our people, as you work as their agent and you have come to listen to what Samarek has to say this evening. You will continue to have sleepless nights to deal with you and your men. Welcome to this very, very painful broadcast to you today, because I know this particular space today is going to be a very painful one to all of you, as you have fallen in hundreds. I told you people, as you are coming to Biafra land, come with body bags. We don't want you to litter the street. You have killed us enough. Now it is a return match, and we're not going to look back dealing with you. Today, I want to again thank Biafra people in the old Imo State. It is now old Imo State because Biafra have new state. Biafra have created 3 new states from old Imo State. And the states are, well, where is Imo State? Imo State. I witness what is happening. We want to thank Biafrans in those 3. Thank you, PM. Thank you, my PM. You're welcome, sir. And thank you for what you are doing. Regretting or not, you can see that yourself. The worst mistake they have done is to kidnap him. When he was kidnapped from Kenya and returned to Nigeria, our promise was to make sure that the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu become very, very useless. And I know I don't need to ask you whether we have achieved that or not. We have achieved more than that. The kidnapping was to stop Biafra agitation. Today we are no longer agitating, we are liberating Biafra. We have graduated from agitation, it is now liberation. And I believe that they never saw this coming. My people of Biafra, I am very, very happy. I am very, 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 very happy and very proud of all of you for how far we have come, what we have done together, and what is to come. Today, Imo State was a ghost town. Old Imo State was a ghost town. Tomorrow, we don't want to see goats. We don't want to see chicken. Any chicken you see in the street, use it to do pepper soup. It is a free chicken day. Anytime, any chicken you see on the street, become the chicken of Biafra. Use it to do pepper soup. Nothing is allowed to move. It's going to be a historic day. Remember that at the end of the day, they are still going to announce that somebody, which is Hope Uzodimma, who have written the result since last year. But our point we are trying to prove to the world is that we will never validate Nigeria again, and they will go ahead without election to announce somebody. And remember, we are already fighting. What we need to do and what we're going to do is to step up our fight against the Imo State killer called Hope Uzodimma. It is all to step up the game, which we are stepping up on daily basis. You will only see when they come, but you can't see when they go back. They will never go back. Mark my word. Today, we have intel that almost 100 armored tank were seen somewhere moving to Imo State. They will never come back. You will never see when they leave because they will never leave. Then, this particular space this evening is to give opportunity to Biafrans and those one Nigeria Janjaweed.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.